Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm bringing you a new video. In today's video, we're gonna finally be installing some BC coilovers on Thomas E92 335i, and I'm super excited because Thomas got the extreme lows coilovers, and he can be able to drop it all the way to the floor. I don't think he want to drop it all the way to the ground, but I know he definitely want to go super low, but not as much where you could be scraping everywhere you drive. So I'm about to go ahead and show you the coilovers. Yesterday, me and Thomas were working on the front suspension, so we got everything from the front suspension out with just the coilovers, and we about to put the new coilovers in. So let me go ahead and show you how Thomas' car looks right now, and then I'll show you the coilovers. All right, guys, as you can tell, the car is already jacked up, and we took the whole front suspension out. So all we gotta do now is just install the BC coilovers. Me and Thomas just wanted to save some time for today because I know the rear ones are gonna be a little bit more difficult. Got both of the sides out. It was not really that hard. All you gotta do is take the 3 bolts on top, this little sheath link bolt, and the bolt that holds the strut, and you can just go ahead and take it out. It's pretty simple, guys. It only took us about like 30 minutes to get the 2 fronts out. So that's pretty much it. Now we're about to go ahead and show you the BC coilovers. So here's the box, guys. BC Racing. He got the extreme lows, like I said, and we ordered this from Turner Motorsport. So there's another box inside, and we're about to go ahead and take that box out. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, guys, so this is what the box came with. This is the full BC suspension kit. These are the 2 front struts, the rear shocks, the springs, and also these shift links. So that's pretty much it. All we need to slam this beautiful car. So that's what we're about to do, guys. I'm super excited to see how Thomas' car gonna go lower, especially with a Style 95. Style 95's always been one of my favorite BMW wheels, and they just look good, especially with that little stretch it got. So I think we'll get the perfect fitment. We might not drop it as slow, but I know it's gonna go super low, but not slammed. All right, guys, so I had to double up on a coat because it's getting chilly. We work all week, it's like 70 degrees. When we want to work on our cars on the weekend, it's like 48 degrees. But I'm about to go ahead and put the coilover on. I already took everything out, even this little shift link. I think that's what you call it. If I'm calling it wrong, please comment down below saying, hey bro, commenting wrong. But all you gotta do is just put this in, and it will stop when it can't go no more. Like right there, you'll hear it click. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this bolt on, and then I'm gonna use a jack to raise this so I can bolt these 3 bolts on, or you can do it the other way, vice versa, whichever one you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this because I think it'll be easier for me, and hopefully it goes super low. So we just got this fully assembled, and as you can tell, guys, this coilover looks absolutely beautiful. I like the gold and black theme. So maybe next is some Brembo brakes and some new rotors. I don't know what Thomas got in plan, but this coilovers looks absolutely beautiful, and on the top too, it looks really good. So I'm about to go ahead and knock out the other side, and then I'll start playing with the fitment. All right, guys, so we just lowered the front. I don't know if you can tell the difference. We didn't go that low, but you could tell it's lower compared to the back. The back got this huge gap, and the front just look crazy. It looks really good. Thomas is happy with it, with this type for right now, since he still got to roll his fenders, and we don't want to mess up none of the fenders. But the whole entire view of the E92 has changed, guys. Alright guys, so we just lowered the car, but it was too low and it was rubbing. So Thomas don't got no road fenders or pulled, so we're gonna raise it up, but just a little bit, not too much. But all the other sides are pretty good, and this side is the only one that's giving us a trouble. It's always one side that always gives us trouble, but I'm gonna raise it up right quick and then I'll show you how the car looks. It looks absolutely beautiful. The whole car changed, and man, I think Thomas is ready to take it to like some car shows or whatever, but let's get this going. Okay guys, so we just lowered the E92 and it looks absolutely beautiful. This is a beast. Now, I don't know if you could tell, but this thing is tucking kind of in the rear, tucking tire. And the front is not tucking that much because it doesn't let us go anymore since we don't got our fenders rolled, but the back is kind of perfect. We want to match the front a little bit more, but we still got to roll the fenders for the back and the front, maybe get them pulled too, guys. But the E92 looks so good, guys. I'm super happy for Thomas. He actually pulled the trigger and bought some BC coilovers, and yeah guys, it rides really smooth. I took it for a test drive and it drives almost like stock suspension. So if you want some good coilovers, guys, I recommend some BC coilovers because these coilovers are pretty much good. They are like $1,000, but it's totally worth every penny because it just looks so good. And you can go way much lower if you really wanted to. Like if you want to go all stand out like how I had it on the E46, you really can, because the E46 I had D2 coilovers and it was pretty good, but I think these rise way better than the D2 coilovers, and you can slam this thing all the way down. I don't know if Thomas want to slam it with all camber like how I did with the E46, but definitely if he did, it will look really good, because you know how we do it right in Saranta's garage. We like slamming our wheels with hella camber. But what you think, guys? Comment down below what you think right now, and I'll pick up the video once we make a little more adjustments, maybe drop a little bit in the front, and I'll pick up the video once that is done. Alright guys, so we just played with the fitment, and as you can tell, this car looks absolutely stunning. The ride height is perfect. I got it a little bit lower in the front and I raised it just a tad a bit in the back so it can be a little bit even, but as you can tell, guys, this car has changed dramatically and I think this car looks super good. Right now we're about to go for a test drive. I'm gonna vlog like driving his car and see how good is the suspension. But guys, just admire this beauty, guys. It looks absolutely stunning, and I'm super excited for Thomas for what he got coming next. And I'll give you a little hint, it's gonna be a lot of interior mods, maybe a new steering wheel and also an M-Tech rear bumper. So we got a lot of parts coming for the F30, and also I think he does want to do some performance part now that he's getting it closer to what he wants cosmetically. Alright guys, somebody sent you there, so me and Thomas about to take it for a spin and see how this coilover ride. I did take it earlier and it does feel smooth, but we did lower a little bit and see if we scrape. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Alright guys, so we're driving Thomas' car and it drives pretty good, guys, not gonna lie. It's pretty smooth. It is a little bouncy, so I gotta mess with the preload or maybe the stiffness a little bit, but other than that, it drives pretty good. I'm about to step on it once I get clear with the cars, but other than that, guys, I'm really happy with the suspension. I did order H&R springs for the F30, but I'm not gonna be installing them because I don't want to go through what I went through this car. But yeah guys, let me go ahead and step on it for a little bit. Put on sport mode and downshift. Hey guys, I think I dropped you. I didn't have no tripod, but sorry about that. I didn't mean to drop you guys. You know I didn't mean to hurt you, but I think the camera's okay. I don't think I messed it up, but yeah, pretty cool. It's pretty fast, so I'm really happy with the suspension right now.
Look, damn, living in hell, molecular cell, go down with my niggas, won't none of us tell. I need a W, I just took a L, but you know I'ma bounce right back. Niggas be hating, that shit be so whack. Ask God why I gotta be like that. I'm in the trap, pumping my waist, I'm waiting for a fuck nigga react. Damn, how you get it like that? They say Easy got them chickens like that. They say Easy got them wishes like that. I just had to sneak my gun in the bag. My hands on her waist, I'm grabbing the ass. Drinking Henny, right out the flags. Gotta stay focused, fulfilling the task. Go to in my veins and I don't gotta brag. Came a long way from chasing this chicken. Remember them nights when I ain't have a dollar. Them niggas, they hated on me for no reason. So when I'm on top, don't call me your brother. I'm on a path to discover. Like what if the devil is your mother? Cause you look in her eyes and tell her you love her. These niggas fake, they all undercover. Yeah. Then I had to start showing my heart. I know niggas was fake from the start. I know right now we at the bottom, but soon we gon' be at the top of the charts. When you see the pain, it's like an art. Especially when a nigga smart. And you know them niggas gon' hate anyway, so don't wait for them to start. Get to that bag, little nigga. No one wanna see you win, not even your friend. That's why I stay to myself. I exercise my mind like a gym. Talking about God, they thinking you him. Look at yourself, are you really here? Sometimes I wish I could just disappear. And I got his main bitch in the rear, that's for Rambo. And you know we pull up in that camo. And we smoking these niggas like camels. In Egypt, I just pull up on camels. Said I'm sorry, baby, I'm an animal. Is there anything that I can do? Hold on, let me show you what I can do. Said it's fire in me like a candle. And I know.
Well, alright guys, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. As you can tell, me and Thomas are very, very motivated to keep uploading on YouTube. We might not get the views we used to get. We noticed that in our channel, but we're not doing it for the views no more. I think that's what ruined me and Thomas' motivation. We felt like we had to buy car parts in order to upload, but now we just buying car parts and uploading. If we don't get the same views, it don't matter to us. But just comment down below what you think about this E92, guys. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Thomas did a good job with going with some BCs. But guys, let me know what you think. I do got a mod coming for the F30. Let me know what video you want to see next, because I did order H&R springs, but I also got some carbon fiber parts. I might give you a little sneak peek, I might not, I don't know. But let me know which one you want to see first, the carbon fiber mods or the H&R springs, because I don't want to be too repetitive. You know, you just seeing this BC Coilover install for his E92, and I don't want to upload the same content, you know, lowering another car but the F30 with H&R springs. So comment down below. I might upload the carbon fiber mods or the Carly adapter video that I got booked. I feel sorry for Carly because I haven't uploaded that video in a long time, and they sent me that Carly adapter a long time ago. But let me know what you think, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment and share. And as always, this has been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
Living in hell, molecular cell. Go down with my niggas, won't none of us tell. I need a W, I just took a L, but you know I'ma bounce right back.